Today I will clear the crash data from this airbag unit. It's from Renault, Dacia. It's made by Continental, but it's sealed. So the first step, what we need is to get inside to see the memory. The memory should be an EEprom, I expect, but let's see. I will use a drill. Okay, my mistake. Or not. Still hard. Let's see. Also for me it's the first time when I'm working on this type of unit. But let's see how it will be to be opened. Clear the area to see something. Maybe still okay, here I touch the PCB. I hope not too much, but I touch it. So let's see what I destroyed. Let's clean the workplace. Okay, so I touch a little bit. The close checking, there is no circuit. I touch only the ground. That's a good thing. And here we are. This needs to be sealed back with silicone. What I will do, I will clean fast the coating from the EEprom. I will use my Nitromorse coating remover. I expect to be this one. Okay, leave it like this couple minutes, but not too much. Time to clean it. Have passed only half of time, but it's a small memory. But I need to take care. I saw there are some small components near the EEprom. As you can see, now it's clean, not shining like other components. But there I need to take care of that small resistor when I'm soldering. So first I will add flux. In this case I don't want to heat it too much. What I will do, I will add a little low temperature solder on the pads and then reflow it. Okay, low temperature has been added on one side, second side. I think I should be able to pull up even without airflow. But no, the lacquer is there. So I need to heat up a little bit. Freezer. Okay, remove it. More than one component. Let's solder it back. All good. Clean the board, clean the EEprom. Here I will add normal solder. Have been touched with low melt. Keep in mind always, if you use low temperature, you will need to clean that solder. It's not good in circuit. Let's see what type of memory it is. Okay, the memory it's 95160, and I will use with the CarProg programmer and these two EEproms adapters. Okay, CarProg started. Airbag, Renault, direct unit, 8201, 163, 278, if I remember correctly. Read the data. Here we should have the ID. It's okay. The device has been read okay. Let's click on find crash. Okay, we find the crash. Let's clear the crash. So a backup has been saved. Start right, yes. So clearing crash, crash removed, verifying everything okay. If we status, as you can see, crash removed. If we click on the refresh and read, find and clear, let's see all three steps together. Reading, verifying, searching for crash stop, status crash not found. Put the EEprom back and give the unit to the customer. Okay, after we did the read and the reset with the CarProg, the last step is to solder back the chip. Okay, I know the pin 1 for me it's here, and also ST it's marked here. So normally I will easy align the EEprom. I will just solder a little bit to keep in place. Then I will add a little flux and solder all the pins properly. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the EEprom has been read, unsoldered, and now we can put the ECU back and give it to our customer. So the board is in place. Cover is in place. What I will do, I will add glue here to solder the cover on the pad. And that's it. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.